Welcome guys to the Bulverde Car Show 2025. I'll tell you what I can. Don't know a lot about old cars, but I know some. 1972 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. I remember when those cars were the hottest things on the street. It's like a Dodge pickup. What is it? Yeah. 2012. Really nice old pickup truck.
13. Getting close. Should I go that way or come up this way? Let's go like around circle? No, let's go like this.
Pace car.
Here, oh no, this is like 20.
I remember when those things came out. SS Malibu. I'm trying to remember if my friend Stevie had one of these or if he had a Chevelle the same year. I know it was the same color, I think. 65. I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos today. Please check them all out. It's too many cars to be in one long video. A beautiful old Mustang. It's a 66. And next to it is a Corvette. Toyota Celica. Didn't recognize it from the body lines. 66 Corvette. The Celica's definitely got a roll bar. It's set up for hauling ass. This silver paint job on this Corvette is something else. Lincoln Continental.
63.
Wow. Talk about a boat, right? Look at the size trunk this car has. I remember the day when we used to go to drive-in theaters and stuff 2-3 people in the trunk. I think in this car you can probably put 5 or 6. It'd be a little tight, but humongous trunk. '32 Ford. I'm making a few videos from today, guys, so please check them all out. Not a professional. I'm keeping the videos to about 5 or 6 minutes. Oh wow. Cyclone. Beautiful car. Well, all these cars are beautiful. '56 Ford pickup. Beautifully restored.
Oh, congratulations. You're welcome. Not easily done, but totally worth it.
Yeah, not too many 56 big back windows out there.
No, that's another way.
Huh. camper package. Wow, with a 454 in it. 1973 Chevy camper package. This is an old Chevy. Dually. What year is this? 1980. That was the year I graduated. Yeah. Oh, 427. Some car. This black one's a 1934 Ford through-window coupe. Beautiful Corvette. I'm going to stop the video here, guys, and I'm going to make a few more videos. Check them all out. This is the Bulverde Car Show 2025. Thanks for checking out my videos.